वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Aryan Institute of Engineering and Technology, Bhubaneswar. Being situated in a lush green campus, started functioning in the year 2009 and has been spreading its wings of success since then in the field of technical education, training and research under Aryan Educational Trust, Bhubaneswar. It's heartening to share some of our success stories and how we have crossed the 10 milestone to be here. There is no end to success in anybody's life. Being at the stage, we feel as if we have achieved nothing, but more miles to march forward with the blessings and cooperation of all the stakeholders. With 480 intake capacity in BTech, we have added an MTech program in structural engineering to grow as a center of higher learning. Augmenting our vertical growth, we have extended our arm in imparting 3 years of diploma courses in engineering in second shift. To turn our institute into a mega educational campus, we have also added one separate new diploma engineering school in the name Aryan School of Engineering and Technology from last year. Because of more demand in mining engineering, the same has been started along with civil, mechanical, electrical, and computer science and engineering. 10 years of enlightening lives. More miles to march forward. Welcome to Aryan Institute of Engineering and Technology, Bhubaneswar. Knowledge is power. Our college is accredited by NAAC of UGC, Government of India. This is the greatest achievements of all the stakeholders of the institutions after passing through a series of acid tests. Our college is the institutional member of ISTE, Indian Society for Technical Education, New Delhi, and also of Computer Society of India, CSI, Mumbai. We are in process of becoming institutional members of various industrial and technological organizations of India for the better exposure of our staff and students. Pillars of Aryan success. Dr. Madhumita Parida, Chairperson cum Managing Trustee. Since the beginning of Aryan, we have put our heart and soul for the all-round development of the institution as well as of our students, for which they can handle the challenges to face in their future life as a budding engineer. Professor Dr. Sudhanshu Shekhar Khuntia, Principal. We prepare to grab the future. Professor Sashmita Parida, Director. Professor Amiya Kumar Sahu, Dean Academic. Spread over 30 acres of land, AIET is one of the top 10 engineering colleges of Odisha, which is the outcome of the survey made by Prameya Shiksha Plus, the regional and famous daily magazine of Odisha. All stakeholders feel proud for attaining this coveted position. Aryan has been awarded for Excellence in Standard of Teaching and All-Round Development by the All India Small and Medium Newspaper Federation in their 47th National Council meet. We feel deeply proud of achieving this feat. We are far ahead of other reputed institutes in our year-on-year student intake figures in all streams of engineering. These figures greatly reflect our better institutional practices in terms of market recognition. We have clearly surpassed many other engineering colleges in this significant parameter. In Aryan, imagine a campus with every facility. In a greenery campus, Aryan provides best educational environment parallel to present-day technology like 60 Mbps Wi-Fi campus to access internet connectivity, specialized laboratories with latest equipments as per BPUT syllabus and beyond that. Central Workshop. Vast central library resources with 20,000 text and reference books, printed journals, e-journals and magazines. Library spreads over an area of 10,000 square feet with reading room facility. A high-tech auditorium with 300 seating capacity. Aryan with every facility, feel like home. Conference halls. Fleet of buses. 24 hours in campus ambulance facility. Health checkup for hostel students by institute doctor. Canteen, cafeteria and student store inside campus. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. OBC ATM facility. Placement at a glance. Our placement cell has excelled in providing maximum placements to our students in reputed companies all over India. AIET has proven placement record in conducting more than 24 on campus in last 2 years. Till date, 39 companies have already conducted placements for more than 218 students of different branches. The importance of soft skill and interview skills play a vital role in getting jobs. Our training and placement department imparts etiquettes, public speaking, resume preparation, basic aptitude, group discussion and interview skills to students starting from first year of study, for which the placement performance stands much better as compared to many other contemporary engineering colleges of the state. Chairperson Scholarship for Meritorious Student. Chairperson Scholarship is availed by meritorious students securing higher grades in BPUT semester examinations. Besides, the students of Bihar, Jharkhand and other states are availing post-matric scholarship from the respective state government. We give emphasis on sports and extracurricular activities. A modern gymnasium and yoga center take care of the fitness of the young technocrats. NCC and NSS wings are the unique features of Aryan Engineering College. Very few private engineering colleges of Odisha are having NCC Army Wing, and Aryan College is one of them. It is a self-financed NCC unit. Our NCC cadets have passed B certificate examination of Army Wing this year and have attended various training camps and participated in rifle shooting championship. We give emphasis on the interaction of the students with eminent invited speakers from various fields during the conduct of seminars or workshops by the departments. Academic exposure of students is well taken care of in AIET to enhance their technical knowledge beyond the fixed academic curriculum. Study tour and industrial visit. Industry exposure of students is a part of academic curriculum. Our students move to different industries and construction sites inside and outside Orissa to undertake trainings. Aryan online grievance procedure and feedback system gives scopes to its stakeholders to ventilate their feelings and suggestions for their betterment as well as the development of the college. Aryan Alumni Meet 2018. Aryan alumni student members of association meet regularly every year and give valuable suggestions to us for their juniors year. We conduct special last moment doubt clearing classes just before the commencement of BPUT semester examination to help the students in their last moment preparation. Felicitation to toppers of BPUT final semester examination 2017. Our contact address for admission. Toll free for admission 1800-1205-661. Mobile for Orissa 9437481252. For outside Orissa 9437475534. Admission Cell College 0674-2377-109 or 0674-259-5051/071. City Office 32 Forest Park, 1st floor, Bhubaneswar 751001. College Campus, Arya Bihar, Barakuda. Post Office, Panchagaon, Khurda, Bhubaneswar 752050. Thank you for visiting us.